Hello, shooting you a video of our 1975 Corvette Coupe here that we just traded in. Real nice car. Totally restored. Very nice paint. Clean as a pin inside and out. Got a nice strong 383 high performance engine in it. The Headman headers. It had the classic auto air updated on it. Nice cold air. The new ATI distributor. All new brake system. Got the rally wheels, new rally wheels with radial TA tires. All new glass. Car's a nice car. Got 99,000 miles on it. Car's been restored about 5-6 months ago, I believe. We traded it in from a local owner here. Got nice sounding Flowmaster mufflers. Body's really straight. Had a lot of these C3 Corvettes, but none of them has been restored to this caliber. Had the new headlight vacuum pods put on the headlights. They work real good. Got a new 4-barrel carburetor. Got a little bit of a cam in it. Let me show you the interior here. It's got the turbo 350 transmission in it, 3-speed automatic. They redid the seats with all new foam and material. Carpet's new. New headliner pieces. Really slick. Comes with a car cover there. Updated stereo system. Nice car. 99,907's the miles. I'm guessing just a couple thousand miles on the restoration. I mean, like, everything's new. The new mirror in it. Nice car. Exhaust sounds awesome. Give us a call, 618-327-3000. We'd love to show you this car. We do have financing available. We accept all kinds of different trade-ins. Shut this so you can see how pretty that paint is. We're located at 861 North Mill Street in Nashville, Illinois. You can go to cyvaletauto.com and apply for financing, or see more pictures, this video on this car. So thanks for checking it out.